हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नभुल्नुहोला अनि दायाँतिरको घण्टी चिन्हलाई पनि थिच्नुहोस् ताकि सबैभन्दा पहिला तपाईले हाम्रो भिडियो अपलोड भएको जानकारी पाउनुहुनेछ। धन्यवाद।
www.pokharavoice.com Pokhara Voice presents.
Hi friends, I would like to welcome you again. As you know that we have been learning how to speak English. अहिलेसम्म तपाईहरुले धेरै कुराहरु सिकिसक्नु भएको छ। अब हामीले म साँझमा पढ्छु। I read book in evening. म साँझमा किताब पढ्छु। I read book in evening. उनी मीरासँग नाचिन्। She dances with Mira. रिताले उनलाई एउटा चिठी लेख्छिन्। Rita writes a letter to her. Rita writes a letter to her. हरिले एउटा गीत गाउँछ। Hari sings a song. म बिहानमा फुटबल खेल्छु। I play football in the morning. उनी पाल्पामा बस्छिन्। She lives in Palpa. उसले एउटा कार चलाउँछ। He drives a car. उसले गिटार बजाउँछ। He plays guitar. उनले आइसक्रिम खान्छिन्। She eats an ice cream. उनले आइसक्रिम मन पराउँछिन्। She likes an ice cream. उनले आइसक्रिम मन पराउँछिन्। She likes ice cream. तिनीहरू अंग्रेजीमा लेख्दैनन् तिनीहरूले। They don't write in English. They don't write in English. उसलाई बनाना मन पर्दैन। He does not like banana. म दिनदिनै कलेज जान्न। I don't go to college every day. मलाई संगीत मन पर्दैन। I don't like music. उसले खाना खाँदैन। He does not eat food. उसले दूध पिउँदैन। He does not drink milk. तिनीहरूले दूध पिउँदैनन्। They don't drink milk. तिनीहरूले किताब पढ्दैनन्। They don't read books. तिनीहरूले फिल्म हेर्दैनन्। They don't watch films. तिनीहरूले एप्पल अथवा स्याउ खाँदैनन्। They don't eat apples. तिमी बिहानमा कति बजे उठ्छौ? What time do you get up in the morning? What time do you get up in the morning? म 6 बजे उठ्छु। I get up at 6 a.m. बिहानमा के खान्छौ? What do you have in the morning? मैले बिहानमा चिया र बिस्कुट खान्छु। Normally I take tea and biscuit in the morning. तिमीले कुन पत्रिका पढ्छौ? Which newspaper do you read? Which newspaper do you read? I read the Kathmandu Post. अफिस कतिखेर जान्छौ? When do you leave for the office? म अफिस 9 बजे जान्छु। I leave at 9 a.m. How do you go to the office? How do you go to the office? तिमी अफिस कसरी जान्छौ? I go to office by bus. म अफिस बसमा चढेर जान्छु। When do you return home? When do you return home? घर कति बेला फर्किन्छौ? I return home at 5 p.m. कति बजे सुत्छौ? When do you go to bed? When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. Thank you, friends. Wait for me.